This is Ariana speaking. How can I help you?
I think to make a reservation for the second week of October. Do you have any vacancies?
Yes, sir. We have several rooms available for that particular weekend. What is the exact date of your arrival?
12th of October.
How long will you be staying?
2 nights.
Would you like a room with two queen-size beds, two twin beds, or two double beds?
A room with 2 queen-size beds. Please, and what's the rate?
That will be 12,500 per night. May I have your full name for the reservation?
I'm Raven Rosas.
Spell your last name, please.
Rosas, R-O-S-A-S.
Thank you, sir. May I also have your contact number?
0912345678.
Sir, I have already processed your reservation. From now, I will transfer you to the other line for the reservation fee. Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
Good morning, sir. This is Rosca speaking. For confirmation, sir, we require at least 50% deposit. How would you like to pay? Bank transfer, debit card or credit card, or e-wallet like GCash or Paymaya?
Credit card.
Thank you, sir. Your reservation has been processed. We'll wait for your deposit within the day. Your reservation has been made for October 12 to 14 at Lux Room with two queen-size beds. Check-in is at 2 p.m. Do you have any special request, sir?
None so far.
Our pleasure, Mr. Rosas. We'll see you in October. Have a nice day.
Okay, team, let's make sure we give our guests a warm welcome.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am, and welcome to Mini Hotel. Do you have a reservation with us?
Yes, I have a reservation under Rosas.
Let me check. Yes, ma'am. Deluxe room with two queen-size beds. October 12 to 14 for two guests. May I kindly ask for an ID verification? Thank you, Ma'am Nonali. Everything matches our record. Please fill out and sign this registration form.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Here is your room key card for room 305. Enjoy your stay with us.
Thank you so much.
And always over the hand key card with a smile.
Welcome, ma'am. Just to share, we have a restaurant and bar on the ground floor. Rooftop pool and spa service available. Check out time 12 noon.
That sounds good. Thank you.
Morning, ma'am. May I assist you with your luggage?
Yes, please.
Can I escort you to your room this week, please? This is your room, ma'am. Enjoy your stay. Thank you for staying in the hotel.
Thank you. May I request extra towel, please?
Of course, ma'am. I'll inform the housekeeping department right away.
Thank you for the warm service.
Hey, the room 305 is requesting extra towel. Please bring them right away.
Okay, I deliver right away.
Thank you.
Housekeeping. Good afternoon, ma'am. We have an extra towel. Would you like anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you very much.
Nonalita po na. Are you checking out today?
Yes, I am.
May I have your room key card, please?
So, another
One moment while I check the review. Here's your bill, ma'am. Kindly review and settle the cashier.
everything looks good. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We hope you had a wonderful stay. Thank you.
Before you leave, ma'am, can you tell us how's your stay with us?
It was very nice. Staff were friendly and helpful.
Thank you so much for your response.
On behalf of Mini Hotel, thank you for staying with us. We are glad to serve you and we hope to welcome you again soon. Have a safe journey.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am, and we hope to see you again.